How to screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. Well, if you screenshot on Snapchat, the notification is sent. Now there is a little trick to work around it. What you need to do is, now in my case on my device, you can use some other screen recorders if you don't have the device default. Now even if your device has default recorder and it shows up the notification, you might want to download the next one. In my case, if I use my default screen recorder here, I'll show you that the notification is not sent if I record the chat or snap. So I'll just open up this particular snap here and skip it. And if I open up the chat, you can see the notification is not being sent. So what I can do here is I can simply use this. Once I've captured the screen recording, I can open it up and I can simply take the screenshot from the video, right? Now the other step is, if you open up Snapchat and open up a particular snap, right? Just a snap. Then if you tap on three dots there, you should be able to find the option here that says remix snap. So tap on three dots, tap on remix snap here, and now you can remix snap here, right? Now you'll be able to see the face. What you can do is you can simply use this way, and then you can drag this all the way to the bottom and you can screenshot it. You can take the snap here, and now you can either screenshot it or you can screen record it. Now you will get the option to save as well, which in this case is not available. Now you should get the option to download here as well, so you can download it as well. So this is how you can screenshot secretly on Snapchat. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.